back on the stand. An expert defense witness in the Karen Reed murder trial returned to court today for questioning. NBC 10's Katie Benoit is live in the studio with why the Commonwealth doesn't want the retired ER doctor to testify again in the Mansfield woman's retrial.
Hey Barb, Dr. Marie Russell is still answering questions from the prosecution about how she identifies dog bites and what she knew about the Canton crime scene. Russell was defensive on the stand, and there were a few very fiery back and forth. The Commonwealth alleges Karen Reed backed into her Boston police officer boyfriend John O'Keefe with her SUV during a 2022 snowstorm, leaving him to die. Reed's defense claims O'Keefe was attacked inside the Canton home and his body dumped. The homeowners had a German Shepherd at the time. Dr. Marie Russell, a retired ER physician, testified in Reed's first trial, saying the injuries on O'Keefe's arm were consistent with the dog attack. But prosecutors say Russell had inconsistencies in her testimony and claim that she's not qualified to testify again.
Because there is no methodology or standard for you to look at, it involves a great deal of your subjective opinion based on your experience treating dog wounds, doesn't it?
You know, with all due respect, Mr. Brennan, I'm not somebody that just came in off the street. I have at least 30 years as a physician, and I use that information in helping me form my opinions.
And now it's unclear when the judge will decide if Russell will be allowed to testify in Reed's retrial scheduled for April. In the meantime, the lead investigator in the case, suspended State Trooper Michael Proctor's disciplinary hearing is also scheduled for next Wednesday. He had sent inappropriate texts about the case and was suspended without pay following the first trial. Live in the studio, Katie Benoit, NBC 10 News.